How to use Stripe payment gateway in India. First, visit the Stripe website and sign up for an account by entering your business details. This starts your Stripe setup. Since your Stripe account in India requires an invite and mainly supports international payments, consider forming a US-based LLC if you want full Stripe access. Once your account is active, connect your bank account with her, where Stripe will deposit payments. Obtain your API key from the Stripe dashboard under Developers. These keys let your website communicate securely with Stripe. Install Stripe's official library in your website's code and enable payment processing. Create a payment form or checkout page on your site using Stripe Elements, which ensures secure and customizable input fields. Set up your backend server to handle payment requests and confirmations using Stripe's API. Test your payment process thoroughly in Stripe's test mode using their test cards. Once confident, switch from test API keys to live keys to begin real transactions. Monitor transactions and manage payments through your Stripe dashboard regularly for domestic payments in India. Use Razorpay or other Indian gateways alongside Stripe for international sales. Subscribe.